फिर से ready sir, my project name is grid failure protection system with 3-phase changeover switch. I want to say about my project. My project is totally used for grid protection. This is 3 transformer. It is used for supply of RYB 3-phase supply for our system and for protection. This is a step down transformer. This convert 220 to 18 volt. This is 909 step down transformer. This convert AC into AC and again it apply on our board for protection and with the help of microcontroller. This is microcontroller. This is used for make a automatic instruction with the help of our program. Okay, finally this is 3 relay. This is used for switching. Okay. How work my project? When supply is normally connected, then our system is working properly. But when supply is disconnected, when supply is come in problem or in fault, then one supply is not coming. Then one supply is not coming, then this is our power supply. Then one supply is not coming, then it will not provide and it will not apply on output. It will not develop output voltage. So I want to say that when fault are occurred in primary, when fault are occurred in when fault are occurred in RYB in R phase. वीडियो बंद सुन ना बात देख।
अरे सुन एक बार लेके तो पढ़ाते रहना, हम कुछ कह रहे क्या
ना। This transformer is used for converting a 220 volt in 9 volt and his output is apply on this bridge rectifier. This is a circuit which is used for AC to AC, converting AC into DC, and this is a capacitor which is parallelly connected to our output of bridge rectifier, and it provide DC and block AC. Now it provide this is a capacitor. It is used for as a filter, and when some part of AC are presented across capacitor, then it pass through capacitor and it not disturb DC. DC is constantly maintained at output of capacitor. Finally, our output is ready for our voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is a device and it is used for converted DC into pure DC or regulated DC supply. This is a 7805 voltage regulator and it is used for converting a 12 volt into 5 volt supply or 5 volt regulated supply. This 5 volt regulated supply is apply on again on filter, and this supply output of this 5 volt DC supply is a input of our 16F877A microcontroller. So without this power supply our microcontroller cannot work and our system cannot be protected from fault. So when our microcontroller is working, then it can control our system to fault, because Microcontroller is a device which is based on instructions. So